Crow's feet and under eye wrinkles are some of the first signs of aging we see on our face. And while some aging is inevitable, our 100% medical grade silicone eye pads can help smooth out those under eye wrinkles and may also reduce puffiness and dark circles, all while you sleep. It's so effective, even to use for 1 to 2 hours for a quick boost and to plump the skin before applying makeup. The most important thing is to start with clean, dry skin. So no creams, serums, moisturisers or toners. This is really important because they will interfere with the silicone pad and stop it from sticking to the skin. Inside the pack, you'll find 3 pairs of medical grade silicone eye pads and a storage sheet. To reveal the sticky adhesive side, you can peel off the plastic film which can be thrown away. Apply the pad with the narrow end from the inside corner towards the nose out. And make sure you cover where your lines and wrinkles are. Make sure it's not too close under the eye. And if you do accidentally crease the skin, simply peel it back, smooth out the skin and stick it back down. Now Wrinkle Schminkles goes to work. It keeps the skin taut so it helps prevent the skin from creasing and the wrinkles can't form while you sleep. At the same time, the properties of the medical grade silicone itself are working with the skin to help draw up moisture, hydration and blood flow to the skin surface. This can help stimulate collagen. In the morning, gently peel off the silicone pad like this and store it face down on the storage sheet included in your pack. Even after just one use, you may see smoother and more line-free skin under the eyes, and you may see a reduction in puffiness and those dark circles. And results can be even better over time. It's easy and it's effective. Wrinkle Schminkles works its magic while you get your beauty sleep.